Hi, my name is Leonel Rodriguez. I'm a board artist from Farouk Systems, and I would like to share with you a very nice style, very romantic, kind of vintage look. Let's start with the sectioning. Now we have the sectioning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after I finish my sectioning, I want to start with a ponytail. My best way to do a ponytail is with a rubber band and 2 bobby pins. After you place the rubber band, right away cover it with the same hair. Use rapid shine. So I'm going to take a small section, use our sheet comb the section, a small amount of teasing, and then polish the section with our sheet comb. Use a hairspray, Ultimate Control from Royal Treatment, and then we are gonna roll the hair and secure it with a bobby pin. Your sections are big, so you have to use 2 of them. And we ended with a pin-up style.